So which edible oil is harmful for your health and which edible oil is good for health? So all these questions must be coming up in your mind, and today we'll discuss all these points here. Hello everyone, I am Senior Dietitian Ritu Singh, specialized in diabetes reversal, obesity, fatty liver reversal diet and all the therapeutic diets. One of the most important ingredient in cooking which is used is cooking oil, and it is used in everyday cooking and kitchen such as salad drizzling, shallow frying, sauteing, baking. So cooking oil is something which is found in every household kitchen. So let's understand that which oil suits for our body. So there are two different types of edible oils. First is which comes from animal fat, and second is which comes from plant. So animal fats are like such as butter, cheese, ghee, mayonnaise. These are the animal fats. They are edible, but same way they are harmful for the heart health. And if we talk about the oils which comes from the plant, such as groundnut oil, sesame oil, olive oil, canola oil, these are the oil which are rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids and good for the heart health. So we need to understand that all the oils which are coming from the animal fat, they are saturated, which are solid at the room temperature, and the oils which are coming up from the plant sources, they are liquid at the room temperature, and they are good and edible and important for our body functioning. So we can add the oils in our daily diet which are coming from the plant source. So the edible oil which is coming from animal fat such as butter, cheese, ghee, mayonnaise, these are bad for heart health and increase the LDL, which is bad cholesterol in the body. And the edible oil which is coming from the plant source such as olive oil, canola oil, sunflower oil, safflower oil, these are good for the heart health and maintain the cholesterol levels in the body. And coconut oil contains lauric acid which helps in burning the stubborn belly fat, and sunflower oil, olive oil, safflower oil, they are rich in omega-3 and omega-6 which reduce inflammation from the heart. So this is all about the oil which we can use in our daily diet. So don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives to maintain their good health. Thank you.